Data quality is a critical element for educators who are focused on and promote data-driven decision-making. These educators pay attention to the accuracy, validity, reliability, timeliness, cost efficiency, and utility of data. To ensure the highest level of data quality, school leaders use a range of best practices to design data systems, train the people who will work with data, and create a clear plan for how data will be verified and kept safe. When data are publicly reported, it's important that stakeholders are provided with definitions and context to help them understand the data. The U.S. Federal Committee on Statistical Methodology defines data quality as the usefulness and credibility of data and products derived from data. Their data quality framework includes the following domains: utility, objectivity, and integrity. Utility refers to the extent to which information is well targeted to identified and anticipated needs. It reflects the usefulness of the information to the intended users. Objectivity refers to whether information is accurate, reliable, and unbiased, and is presented in an accurate, clear, and unbiased manner. Integrity speaks to the maintenance of rigorous scientific standards and the protection of information from manipulation or influence, as well as unauthorized access or revision. In the Pacific region, education leaders focused on building a culture of data quality may face significant challenges and opportunities. For example, when considering the utility of data, they must ensure that data products are relevant and accessible to multilingual audiences, as these may include educators, parents, or community members. Like other education leaders across the United States, they strive for the highest level of accuracy and reliability, understanding that data quality is a shared collective effort.
Data is a vital resource. It gives us evidence, empirical evidence, to inform us on next steps, success stories, finding out commonalities in our practice, driven by data.
But quality data for me is something that is truthful, that is consistent, that is being honest.
To ensure that we have quality data, I monitor and ensure that our, for example, our HR division is updated on the number of staffs and hiring, terminating, turnovers and all those. We're trying our best to have the updated data as much as possible.
At the Department of Education, when we worked on our language policy, we wanted to gather data from the community to get parents' ideas of how language learning development should be for their kids. We design our surveys and interviews with parents and stakeholders. It's very important for us to learn from parents and people in the community on how to improve education.
On the students level, the data that comes from the students are very important because it shows the school leader as me, and it shows the teachers that what they're actually teaching in the classroom and how they're teaching, the students are grasping them. It's the students' learning and the students' achievement that is of the first priority for us.